Today we are testing out the GoPro Hero microphone adapter for the Hero 5 and Session Black and newer. It will be tested on my GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. You can find the adapter online for around $30 to $50. To plug it in, all you have to do is open up the latch on the left side of the GoPro and stick the USB into the USB port. Then plug your microphone in to the 3.5mm port on the GoPro Hero adapter. Hello everyone, this is a test of the built-in GoPro Hero 7 Black microphone. You'll probably notice that it's going to pick up echo from every single wall and every single part of the ceiling because this room has really high walls. Most rooms in this apartment have really high walls, so they pick up a lot of audio echo in recordings, which is why you have to have the proper microphone to reduce as much echo as possible. Now we will test the adapter out with the Pixel Pro. Okay, this is a test of the Pixel Pro microphone. It's advertised as a cardioid microphone, which means it picks up things mostly in front of it and muffles out the sides. Now, the good thing about cardioid microphones, or shotgun microphones as they're known in professional world, would be that they do help reduce echo, but the thing is, unless you are right up and close on them, you will still get echo if you are filming in a place with high ceilings and wide walls. But as you move farther back, you're still going to get better quality than the built-in GoPro microphone, I would assume. GoPro Hero 7 Black microphone, but you're still going to get echo from this distance. As you can see, I'm about 2 ruler lengths away when I sit on the bed, and I'm about 3 inches away when I stand up and walk to the microphone. So there's going to be a huge difference, and I have read that the Pixel Pro microphones do have an issue for the first few seconds sometimes when you record on the GoPro, where it'll have a lot of static and then it'll level out, and then it'll start recording clearly again. The Zoom H5 professional handy recorder. Okay, now I'm using the Zoom H5, which is a professional handy recorder. It has multiple capsules. I am also using a cardioid shotgun microphone capsule, as I was with the Pixel Pro microphone. Again, as I said, these shotgun microphones will pick up echo unless you are super close to them. Super close. As you get farther away, it's going to pick up more echo like your ears. But anything is better, in my opinion, than the built-in GoPro Hero 7 Black microphone. So I have a question. Which did you prefer? The built-in microphone of the Hero Black 7, the Pixel Pro microphone, or the Zoom H5 shotgun capsule microphone? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.